I'm back with another video, and this article from the Motor1.com. So Genesis recalls 65,000 vehicle for exploding seatbelt potential. Recall affects certain G880, GV60, and GV70 and GV80 model. So exploding seatbelt. Okay, so we're going to do this again. All right. Okay, let's get into this one. Apparently, there's a audio to this article, so let's see if I get this to play. Boy, I tell you, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Let me see if I get this to play. That was supposed to come up. Doing a lot of buffering. Wait a minute. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. Okay.
Genesis recalls 65,000 vehicles for exploding seatbelt pretensioners. The recall affects certain G80, GV60, GV70, and GV80 models. Owners of certain Genesis G80, GV60, GV70, and GV80 models should be on the lookout for a recall notice from the automaker. The company is recalling 65,000 vehicles because their seatbelt pretensioners may explode during a crash. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration,
Seatbelt protectors may explode during the crash. Now, if you happen to get in the crash, it's not as an insult to injury. You always got to worry about having a car crash, but you got to worry about your seatbelt explode on top of that. You have mercy, Lord. Have mercy, Lord. These people, ooh, boy, they sure know how to make these cars, don't they? Don't they, y'all? They sure know how to make these cars. Anyway, let me play the rest.
Safety Recall Report. Overpressurized pretensioner pipes could abnormally deploy when the vehicle is in a crash. This could send metal fragments into the vehicle's cabin, possibly endangering and injuring occupants. However, Genesis isn't aware of any crashes or injuries related to this problem. This recall is arriving several months after Hyundai issued one last May for the same issue. That one affected 239,000 sedans, including the Elantra, which is about to undergo a radical redesign due to sliding sales. While Genesis has no record of any injuries related to the issue, Hyundai vehicles have some. Hyundai and Genesis also issued recalls in 2021 related to the same issue of exploding pretensioners. The earlier recall affected certain GV80, GV70, and Elantra models.
Okay, y'all. Y'all heard, y'all listen to that audio of this article. You know what? And I remember the Hyundai having the seatbelt issue because I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think I did a video on that when they had an exploding seatbelt issue. But oh boy, these people just do a great job. They do a great job when it comes to these cars, don't they? I mean, a vehicle could look nice on the outside. It can even look nice on the inside. But if the vehicle is safe, that's usually the big question. And 9 times out of 10, and I could truly say this because I've been doing these news articles on these vehicles for a while now. These vehicles could look nice on the outside. They could look good on the inside. But when it comes to actually being safe and being be able to drive these cars, that's when you usually find problems. I'm just saying. Let me know what you think about this article. What you think about this exploding seatbelt problem that's going on right now with this particular brand of car. And if you enjoy information videos like this, I make these on the regular. And I will see you all in my next video. D-Lo out.